number 1. Now let's proceed our candidates. Number 2. Number 4. That's it. Thank you so much, candidates number 4. Now let's have our candidates number 5. Thank you so much, candidates number 5. Let's have our candidates number 6. Thank you so much, candidate Rosie. Next is candidate number 7. Thank you so much for candidate. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Now let's have a final glimpse of candidates and their echo of SES. Now let's welcome our 17 candidates. And answer portion. Request candidates number 1, please come forward. Okay, contestants number 1, please stand up. Hold on. Here are your questions. Ang una ang sagot ang lahat. Now the question is, how can you take care of our environment as a good Filipino? Again, how can you take care of our environment as a good Filipino?
I can take care of our environment like a good Filipino by growing my grass, properly, and planting trees. I will also save water and electricity to protect nature. This will help keep our earth green and beautiful for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Thank you for the wonderful question. As a good Filipino, I will take care of our environment by growing, reducing, reusing, and recycling, conserving energy, water, and planting trees, supporting local sustainable products. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much, candidates number 1, for your answer. Next are candidates number 2. Candidates number 2. Alright. Here are your questions. How can you take care of our environment as a good Filipino?
In a good Filipino, we have
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have now the awarding of minor awards. Let's have the personal collection. Mr. Personal collection goes to candidate number 7. Congratulations. Please forward candidate number 7 from the Philippines. Congratulations. For Miss Personal Collection goes to candidate candidate number 2. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Ms. Juliet Vargas, and to the sponsor, Personal Collection. Now let's proceed to Mr. Best Introduction Number. To be awarded by with certificate and token. May I read to you, certificate lang. May I read to you the content of certificate. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to for winning Best Introduction Number during the search for Mr. and Miss United Nations 2025 of Grade 1 SSES held at Ilawod Elementary School, Rombusao, East District, Rombusao, Capiz. Given this 22nd day of October 2025 at Ilawod Elementary School, Rombusao, East District, Rombusao, Capiz. Signed, Merlin O. Olivas, Advisor, Master Teacher 1. Signed, Arlene D. Luces, PhD, School Principal 3. Mr. Production Number goes to contestant number 5. Marnie Simarilio. Next, for Miss Production Number goes to contestant number 1. Congratulations, Ella Bella Lecture. Next, let's proceed to Mr. Echo or Best and Echo Attire. Mr. Best and Echo Attire goes to contestant number Mr. Echo Attire, candidate number Mr. Echo. Best and Echo Attire goes to contestant number 7.
Number 7, Philippines. Mr. Echo Attire.
Next, let's have the Best and Echo Attire for Miss United Nations Echo Attire. Candidate number 1. Congratulations.
Yay! Go Ella! Purple.
have the Best in Interview. Best in Interview for Mr. United Nations goes to contestant number Mr. Echo. Mr. United Nations Best in Interview goes to contestant number 2. Congratulations.
Cute.
For Miss United Nations Best in Interview goes to contestant number 1.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Go, Ella!
Now let's proceed to the major award. Before the award, the major award, let's have the certificate of recognition to our board of judges. Certificate of recognition is accompany your children in feeling of such and proud. Start. United Nations third runner-up is candidate number Parents Burundi. Mr. United Nations third runner-up goes to candidate number 6. Parents, please assist your children. Certificate and token will be awarded to our third runner-up. Mr. United Nations second runner-up. Miss United Nations third runner-up goes to candidate number 4. Congratulations.
Number 4.
Congratulations to the parents of third runners. Next, we will proceed to Mr. United Nations second runner-up. Thank you so much, third runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. United Nations second runner-up goes to the candidate number 5. Miss United Nations second runner-up goes to candidate number 2. So token and certificate will be awarded to our second round staff. Thank you, parents. Thank you, Doctor. Congratulations, second runner-up. And now let's have Mr. United Nations. First runner-up goes to candidate number 2.
Number 2.
For Miss United Nations, first runner-up goes to candidate first runner-up Miss United Nations candidate number 7. Congratulations.
Separate ko lang bidang kay Ella.
And now, our 2025 Mr. United Nations 2025 is Mr. United Nations 2025 is contestant number 1. Congratulations. Requesting the parents to please congratulations to the parents of candidate 1 and to the sponsor. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss United Nations 2025 is Miss United Nations 2025 is candidate number 1.
Yes.
Congratulations,
Go, Ella.
Arabella Preacher. Congratulations also to the parents and to the sponsors.
One, two, three. Smile, ate.
Okay, candidates for me, our first third runner-up are all candidates who have the picture taking. Thank you.